Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about natural remedies like honey, saltwater gargles, marshmallow root, licorice, and more that can help provide relief for dry coughs. I'll share how these natural ingredients can coat and soothe sore throats, suppress cough reflexes, and loosen mucus. We'll also go over some over-the-counter medicine options. Whether used alone or combined together, these remedies can really help provide temporary relief by targeting the causes of dry coughing. Let's get into the video. What is a dry cough? A cough is a natural reflex our bodies do to clear irritants and mucus from the airways. When we inhale something that irritates the throat or lungs, it triggers a cough to try to expel it and keep the airways clear. There are two main types of coughs. A productive cough brings up phlegm or mucus from the lungs and bronchial tubes. This wet type of cough is the body's way of clearing excess mucus secretions or dislodging irritants trapped in the mucus. It serves an important protective purpose. A non-productive cough, on the other hand, is also known as a dry cough. This type of cough does not produce any phlegm or mucus when you cough. The cough is often the result of irritation or inflammation in the throat or airways, rather than excess secretions that need clearing. Dry coughs can be caused by infections, asthma, allergies, smoking, air pollution, and other triggers. A dry cough usually doesn't clear mucus or serve an important purpose. It is simply bothersome irritation that causes coughing fits. Common causes of dry cough. A dry cough can have many different causes. Some of the most common reasons people develop dry, non-productive coughs include: Number 1. Airway hyperresponsiveness. Airway hyperresponsiveness is a major cause of dry coughing. This is when someone's airways are overly sensitive and tend to narrow or constrict in response to various triggers. The airways react strongly even to minor irritants. This heightened response causes coughing and is a hallmark symptom of asthma. Number 2. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, also called GERD or acid reflux, is another culprit behind dry coughs. When someone has GERD, stomach acid can back up into the esophagus and throat. This causes irritation and inflammation of the lining of the throat and airways. The inflammation then leads to coughing spells. Number 3. Postnasal drip. Postnasal drip from the sinuses is also a common reason for dry coughs. When the sinuses produce excess mucus, it can drip down the back of the throat. This mucus drips onto the vocal cords and tickles the throat, triggering coughing, even though no mucus is being coughed up. Number 4. Viral respiratory. Viral respiratory infections like colds, flu, bronchitis, and others can result in temporary dry coughs as the viruses cause inflammation. The cough is the body's effort to clear the irritation from the infection. Number 5. Environmental irritants. Environmental irritants are things we inhale that bother the airways. Smoke, dust, pollution, strong scents, or sprays can all prompt dry coughing when they irritate the throat or lungs. Number 6. ACE. Finally, ACE inhibitor blood pressure medications cause dry coughs in some patients as a side effect. The drugs lead to a buildup of substances that irritate the airways. While less common, other possible causes include lung cancer, heart failure, whooping cough, and more. An untreated cause could lead to chronic dry cough, so it's important to see a doctor if coughing persists. Before we discuss the remedies for dry cough, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Get all the interesting facts about your health and wellness with us. Remedies for dry cough relief. There are many remedies that can provide relief for a dry cough at home. Here are some of the most effective options. Remedy number 1. Honey. Honey has natural antimicrobial and wound healing properties that can help soothe sore throats. Its thick, viscous texture also forms a protective coating over inflamed tissues in the throat. For dry cough relief, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, unpasteurized honey as needed to coat and soothe the irritation. The viscosity of honey can reduce throat inflammation and ease coughing. Just avoid giving honey to infants under 12 months due to the risk of infant botulism. Remedy number 2. Warm salt water gargle. Gargling with warm salt water is an easy and effective home remedy for dry coughs. The salt helps pull out mucus and fluids from swollen throat tissues, cleansing irritants and providing soothing relief. To use this remedy, dissolve 1/4 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of warm water. Gargle with the solution several times throughout the day to cleanse the throat, rinse away irritants, and temporarily relieve coughing. Remedy number 3. Steam. Inhaling warm, moist air can help loosen mucus secretions in the airways so you can clear them by coughing. Steam also soothes irritation. Breathe in steam from a hot shower running. or sit over a bowl of steaming hot water with a towel draped over your head to contain the steam. You can also use a cool mist humidifier to add moisture to the air. The increased humidity can help hydrate and soothe dry airway passages. Remedy number 4: ginger. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that are known to relax airway muscles. This can allow you to expel mucus secretions more easily when coughing. Make a spicy ginger tea by steeping fresh grated ginger root in hot water, or add ginger to other herbal tea blends for its cough-suppressing benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger may also help reduce throat swelling and discomfort. Remedy number 5: thyme. Thyme contains an active compound called phlegm, which helps relax throat muscles. It acts as an antispasmodic, preventing coughing fits. To use thyme for dry cough relief, make a thyme tea by steeping 3 to 4 teaspoons of dried thyme leaves or powder in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Thyme tea provides gentle relief when used occasionally for coughing. Be careful not to overuse thyme, as large amounts can cause stomach upset. Remedy number 6: marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, which is a gel-like substance that forms a soothing, protective coating over inflamed membranes in the throat. This helps reduce irritation from dry coughs. Marshmallow root is available as a tea, in cough drop or lozenge form, or as a supplement. The mucilage creates a film over the throat, while the root itself has antibacterial properties to help fight infection. Remedy number 7: peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps numb irritated nerve endings in the throat that trigger coughing. This provides pain relief for sore throats and reduces the urge to cough. Peppermint also acts as a decongestant by thinning mucus secretions. For dry coughs, drink peppermint tea made from fresh or dried leaves, especially before bedtime to prevent nighttime coughing fits. The menthol cools and soothes the throat. Remedy number 8: licorice root. Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the throat caused by coughing. You can drink licorice root tea made by steeping the dried root, or take licorice root extracts. However, avoid excessive consumption of licorice, as it can cause side effects like high blood pressure with prolonged use. Remedy number 9: slippery elm. The inner bark of the slippery elm tree contains mucilage, similar to marshmallow root. When mixed with water, it creates a gel-like substance that coats and protects the throat. Slippery elm can also help thin out mucus secretions. To use it, steep powdered slippery elm bark in hot water to make tea. Drink a few cups per day to soothe dry coughs. Remedy number 10: dextromethorphan, DM. Dextromethorphan, DM, is an over-the-counter cough suppressant. It works by impacting signals in the brain that trigger the cough reflex. By suppressing the urge to cough, DM provides temporary relief for dry coughs. It is found in many OTC cough syrups, lozenges, and cough drop formulas. However, DM does not treat productive coughs related to smoking, asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, etc. Remedy number 11: guaifenesin. Guaifenesin is an OTC expectorant, meaning it helps thin and loosen mucus secretions in the airways. While dry coughs are non-productive, guaifenesin can sometimes provide partial relief by allowing you to expel a little mucus. It is found in many cough syrups and cough/cold medicines. By thinning secretions, it can temporarily ease coughing. However, guaifenesin does not treat the underlying cause. Remedy number 12: cough drops. Cough drops and throat lozenges can temporarily relieve dry coughs by soothing irritated throat tissues. Look for demulcent ingredients like honey, glycerin, or pectin that coat and soothe inflamed membranes. Some lozenges also contain anesthetics like benzocaine that numb the throat for several hours, reducing cough reflexes. Allow cough drops/lozenges to slowly dissolve in the mouth and throat for maximum effectiveness. Avoid menthol if it seems to worsen coughing. When to see a doctor? It's normal for a viral cough to last up to 3 weeks, but see a doctor right away if you cough up blood, have severe shortness of breath, have a fever over 101 degrees Fahrenheit, have facial pain or headache, have a cough lasting over 3 weeks. A chronic dry cough could indicate a more serious health condition requiring treatment. Your doctor can evaluate your symptoms, diagnose the cause, and provide appropriate treatment. Dry coughs can be frustrating and disruptive. A combination of home remedies like honey, steam, and throat-soothing herbs can provide relief in many cases. Over-the-counter cough suppressants may also temper coughing, but always see a doctor if your dry cough persists or you have any concerning symptoms. Treating the underlying cause, whether an infection, asthma, GERD, or something more serious, is key to stopping chronic dry coughs.